Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to talk about my experience of using the iOS for the past 24 hours. Yes friends, for the past 24 hours I've been using this iPhone 12 and this is my first iPhone which I did review in my channel, and this is my first time experiencing myself to this iOS because previously I did use plenty of Android phones only, and I'll try to talk about all the experience what I felt while using this iPhone. So basically, yes friends, so that's what I'm going to discuss in this video. And in this video I'm going to talk about all the things which I did miss of not using the Android device for the past 24 hours. Yes friends, I'm going to mention these things, and first thing is about the customization. Customization in this iOS is kind of really painful. It's not that great, I would say, in terms of customization, and iOS is kind of improving. I can definitely say that regarding adding the widgets and all this kind of app library as well, everything. But the customization is not that great. For example, one thing is regarding the live wallpaper, because if you watch my previous videos, in every Android video I make, I'll definitely use some kind of live wallpaper like this, as you can see friends, where there's a lot of customization is involved. I did like this kind of change, which is something not same every day, which is unique every day, every minute as well. So that's what I did like, even not having the app drawer as well. So because I did like this kind of app drawer, that's also kind of missing for me. So every time I need to scroll or maybe I need to search to get any kind of application, that's one thing which I did miss not using. And next thing is about swiping the notification panel, because I did get used to this kind of swiping notification panel in the Android phones. Pull down to swipe, get the notification tile. As you can see, it's pretty simple and very basic, but in the iPhone it's not like that. If you swipe, you'll get this kind of search option. Every time you need to go to the top right corner and then you need to swipe it. That's something kind of I need to get used to this thing as well regarding that. So apart from that, there are a couple of other things as well, which is regarding the settings option. For example, if you open the camera application right now, as you can see, if I try to change, if I want to change few changes, I can definitely do that. And not having the options here, it's kind of really little bit kind of disappointing, but you can actually change the settings as well from your toggle. As you can see, you can actually do that. You can actually change this kind of settings, no issues. But if you try to go to the settings option, there you can actually customize more in terms of the camera options. As you can see, I wish they could have included this settings option in the camera app itself, but still that's kind of one thing you need to every time go to the settings in the settings application. That's something. So apart from that, I need to get used to this kind of big notch, as you can see friends. So I did use the complete full screen displays and pop-up camera of mobile phones and small tiny punch holes, but getting used to this kind of big bezels on the notch, as you can see, that's kind of slightly I need to get used to this in the iPhone 12 basically. That's something. And regarding the authentication of unlocking, it's pretty fast. It's very good friends. The Face ID works flawless, no issues regarding the dark scenarios or anything. I never felt like I could have got some kind of fingerprint option, but if you wear the mask, maybe they could have included some kind of fingerprint. But so it is not the first time, like even if I ask, they won't do. But still, if there is a fingerprint scanner, that could be really helpful in this kind of COVID time situations, so which can unlock faster. But regarding this arrangement of the home screen, I did not like basically friends, because in the Android phones, I can actually create multiple shortcuts in the home screen. Like Flipkart, I can use it here, and you can actually use the Flipkart same application here. Like multiple shortcuts I can actually create in the home screen. That will be really good for me, but for the testing purpose. But in this iOS, I cannot do that. It's kind of completely not that customizable at this moment. That is the one thing which I did feel difficult in making speed test videos, because I'll be organizing the speed test applications in every home screen similarly, but I cannot do that in this iPhone. That's something. So next thing is about the swiping gestures is pretty good, so which works flawless without any kind of issues. No problem at all friends swiping. But only one thing is that if you want to clear everything from the background application, you need to swipe every app. So instead of not having clear all option, because in the Android phones we do have this kind of option, right? Clear everything from the background RAM management. We used to have this kind of option, always clear all. But in this iPhone, unfortunately, we don't have that kind of option to clear all. We need to swipe every time if you want to clear. That is another thing which I did miss, like small things which I did miss as well. But overall, I did like the speed in this device. It's kind of really very premium kind of speed I'm getting friends. I'm experiencing really very good speeds as well in this iPhone 12, and it's very lightweight as well. Like wow, it's very lightweight, and the gaming and performance is like top notch. It's pretty good. It's kind of very close to, I mean, I cannot compare with the Snapdragon process, but still it's really very powerful. It's very powerful. And regarding the charging, that's something which I did miss, because I got used to this kind of charging speeds, fast charging, but I wasn't able to charge this faster. That's I'll try to do the charging speed test very soon, don't worry. But screen on time I'm getting very much good. So very stable screen on time I'm getting, I think, for 4 hours and 52 minutes. Right now the percentage is about 38%, as you can see. Definitely I'm getting solid screen on time, no issues. And I need to do the gaming. So when I try to do the gaming, maybe then I'll be able to understand more about the battery details as well overall. So last I did charge completely at around 12:30 a.m. midnight, and I started to use this device today continuously. And you can actually see the results as well, how much I did use today. As you can see, today I did use about 4 hours 45 minutes. That's pretty good in terms of screen on time. So not much complaints regarding the battery for me. But maybe if I try to do the gaming, then I may be able to experience some problems. But overall, the speakers is fantastic, friends. I did like this kind of iPhone type of speakers, loudspeaker, which will give the really very good bass effect. And that's what I did like in this phone. It's pretty good. So the main disadvantage what I did feel during this time of usage is the lack of having customizations only. That's only one biggest my problem of using the iPhone 12, which I need to get used to this one as well. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this quick details about the iOS experience of myself using this device for the past 24 hours. And I did like this kind of app library as well, which is pretty good and straightforward. I can actually use this one very good. Yes, app library, I did like this kind of option, getting all the things together in one single option. As you can see, all the games together, automatically categorizing everything. That's pretty useful as well. Even I need to get used to this kind of back swipe, because usually in the Android we'll be having this kind of back button or maybe side gestures, but in the iPhone I need to use this kind of back gestures every time. That is another thing which I need to get used to this as. And that's it, friends. This is the overall experience of using the iOS. And one thing is that the performance and the RAM management is really great in this iOS device. It's pretty good, and the apps can actually stay in the background for a very long amount of time than when compared with the Android device. I can definitely say that one thing which I did feel during the time of usage with this device as well, with the iPhone 12. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this quick details about the complete review about the iOS for the first 24 hours only. So still I'll be using this iPhone 12 for the next couple of days, and then I'll try to come back with a complete review later on as well. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Meanwhile, signing off, and don't forget to check out the links in description for more videos. Until then, bye.